Welcome to my video. Do you like a charting program just like this one where you can do 100 different features, you can have 1,000 different colors, you can change your bars up to any color you want, you can have your background anything you want. The coolest thing about it is it's absolutely free. Be sure to check out the links in my description right away or after this video. Enjoy the video. What's going on, traders? It's Tyler here with Trade with Tyler. Today we're going to be going over JAGX and the stock ticker. We're going to be talking about this on the 30-minute chart, so each one of these bars is 30 minutes in case you didn't already know. The share float of this stock is 0.84 million, so definitely keep that in mind. And we're under a million share float, so this makes this stock very volatile with not that much volume needed. There was not any news that I seen that made this breakout here happen like this in pre-market, but I did find this news on the 9th. They released in the beginning of the day that they promoted Jonathan Wallen to Chief of Staff, Chief Compliance Officer. So there's not really any good news that I've seen. Maybe there was a couple weeks ago, but I didn't see it. If you want to go ahead and correct me in the comments, that's fine. But we're going to go ahead and get into the technicals really quick on this one. Draw my support and resistance first. We got our resistance up here at $1.49. We got our support down here. It looks like $1.22. And then we have our median right here at about $1.35. Now, I want to go on the 4-hour really quick just to see what we're working with here. And you can see at this 148, it's a strong pivot, and that's about where this resistance is here. So let's go ahead and draw this line out here. We can see on the 4-hour over here on August the 9th, about a month ago, we can see that it did find support here at $1.48, launched back up, fell down, and then we ranged in this zone. We did break above here a couple of times, but we ranged in the zone, and you can see pretty much this 148 has been resistance, even though we did go all the way up here these times. But overall, we can see that it did stay below here most of the time. We did launch above there a couple times. So that is interesting to know that since we did launch above here, there is definitely a good chance to run. You can see we went up to 260 here on August 21st. So definitely a lot of potential there for a possible repeat on this kind of play. So let's go ahead and zoom back in on the 30-minute chart. Now what I'm going to be looking for tomorrow is I'm going to go ahead and, since we did hit 149, I'm going to put this at 149, and I'm going to set an alert at 149 here. And I'm using a free trading platform. Definitely suggest it. If you want to use it for free, go ahead and check out that link in the description. This will notify you on the app, the pop-up, and an email that they send you, so it's very convenient. You don't have to watch the stock 24/7. You can just set an alert, and then when it passes it, you can get interested in it. That's what I do. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm setting an alert like I just did. Alert set. Next thing I want to see, or I want to happen, is I want to see that break above that median here at 135, and then I want to see us break above. And what that's going to do is that's going to set an alert off to me, so I'll know exactly when we do break above 149. That's when I'll be watching, whether that's tomorrow or whenever. And then the next thing I want to see is, obviously I'm not just going to hop in just because it passed 149. I need to see it, retest with confirmation. So the next thing I want to see is I want to see it pull back, retest out this 149 zone, and I want to see it stabilize. I want to see the sellers. I want to see the selling stop. And I want to see, level 2 looking good. I want to see big buys coming in, because what we don't want is we don't want to hop in a trade right here just as it pulls back, and then it end up falling back down here, and then you're out, a bunch of money. Always try to play with house money, not yours. So once I see that stabilization, I go ahead and wait for that momentum to return. I'm still watching all my confluence factors. And then the next thing, once all that does match up, since the setup is right, my confluence factors are right, I'm checking level 2. You got to check volume. Watch out for big sell blocks that pop up. You can use other things like RSI, anything you want really. Like anything you want to confluence a trade with. For me, I just use common sense, level 2, setup, candlesticks. That's another thing, is watch the reversal candlesticks. And I'll watch down all the way to the 1 minute chart. So that's what I suggest to do, but it's up to you, obviously. Whatever your strategy is, that's why this is so nice to learn and see, because you can incorporate this in any strategy. So I'm basically I'm teaching you the main setup that you want to look for. So again, we want to see that break above 149. We want to see it pull back. Once we see that stabilization, we get interested. I get interested, and then what happens is I set my alert above that pullback point, wherever it is. For here, we'll say this as the example, and that way when that momentum kicks in, I ride that wave up to this 160, and then I sell 3/4 my position, hold 1/4, see if we do another repeat pattern, and that way if we fall back down here, I'm still in profit, and I can sell that 1/4 and be fine, right, for the day. So that's what I try to do. I always try to stay in house money, not my money. So that's the trade I'll be looking for tomorrow. If you're a bull, definitely watch out for that 149 level. Definitely important. And I don't really even see the point in talking about shorting this, because I don't think it's a good idea. And if you want to short it, definitely just watch out for this 122 level. And just like up here, you're going to want to see it break below, retest, and then you enter when that momentum kicks in, pushes below that pullback point. So that's what I look for tomorrow. Again, if you're a bull, watch out for that 149 level. If you're a bear, 122. Hope this video did help you. If it did, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos just like this one. Better than any stock watch list you can get. This way you can stay updated and know what to look out for the next day. Don't forget to check out the links in my description. All right, everybody, and share this with your friends on Facebook, Stock, Twits, and Twitter. Really appreciate it. Thanks for the support. Have a wonderful day. Bye.